Terminal audio video, connector adapter. Used for microphone plug, earphone plug, audio video AVPC plug. External connecting audio cable dot can extend the length of the 3.5 mm audio cable. Connect the cable with the cable end to the 3.5 mm for pole stereo audio jack. Wire range: AWG to 6 to 16. Pin for way, pin, compact design and reliable connection for the female 3.5 mm audio to C crew terminal adapter cable. Male to 3-pin female screw terminal double track headphone balloon solderless converter adapter. Screw, solderless type, no soldering required, easy to use, requires only a screwdriver and a wire stripper to terminate 3.5 mm cables. Saves time and hassle for installers.